So it comes to the suspension elements, the bearings, all the bolts which holds everything in place, as well as the axles. It's pretty crucial to have those kits which are being sold separately, cost 100 something. Actually, the reason why this worn out is pretty much because of lack of maintenance or the poor maintenance. However, I've been changing those bearings like once in 3 to 4 months, so I very much doubt that it was because of lack of maintenance, maybe too much of it. And that being said, in the tech book it is shown that the bearings should be used with bearing fit compound, which basically fills all those holes around the bearing if there are any, and it prevents from rusting, which might have happened in this case when I've been changing the bearings. So about the bearings, there are two options. You can buy bearings separately knowing their sizes, which are basically only 3 sizes in this set. So the smallest one goes at the top, the middle one goes at the chainstay, and the biggest, which Scott specific, goes at the top. You can purchase bearings separately and that will help you in some instances, but at the same time those bolts are also wearing a bit, as well as the axle itself. In my opinion, it's not necessary to change the whole set every single time, but every few times I would change all of those, simply because those washers, the metallic, wears out a bit because of the friction, and also the axle wear as well. So from time to time change those. And where to find those? That's a very interesting topic. In case you need product code, it's there, and it includes everything which you need. Keep in mind that 2022 kit is a bit different from 2023, and the only difference, as far as I know, is the way how the bolt to the shock connect. In theory, you could use those interchangeably, just few pieces will not fit. Where to find those? So there are a few options. You can find them in the local bike shop, also find them online. They are selling in Air2Bike around 120 to 30 euros. Managed to find those for 75 euros. I called one local bike shop and asked how much do they want for it, and they said 165. One thing which I always do is that when changing those, I don't throw them away, just in case if I sometime need temporarily solution, like it was in this case where the bearings were completely stuck, like not this one, impossible to spin it. I decided that those could be changed, and ideally you should have those sets on your site when you need to, or at least the bearings. I called the local bike shop, they said 165, which, considered that I don't need them urgently, was not worth the cost. I googled a bit and I found local bike shop in Latvia for 75 euros. Well, it was discounted from 90 something, but still, for the same cost, you could get 2 pieces of that set. Support your local bike shops, buy stuff there, but at the same time, make sure that they are not making the use of it for their own purpose, which is not very nice way, in my opinion. So the best idea is just to have those parts as spare, sitting around, so whenever you need them, you will have them immediately and you won't need to overpay for them if you need it urgently. But as with everything, it's not always easy to find literally everything in your local bike shop, and you have to rely on e-shopping. So with all of that said, we will begin the procedure of replacing the swing arm.